Alright, hey guys, welcome to the weather update. It is around 2:30, May 10th, 2019. We have a couple of showers moving through the area right now, and nothing really heavy, maybe moderate at times, but just a couple of showers. We'll actually take a look at the wider radar view. You can see that little area of showers here. There's more rain back off to the west that won't get here until later in the night. The temperatures, we're going to look at that. We'll look at the map here first of temperatures, and definitely getting warmer out there. Temperatures, well, it's in the mid 60s on Long Island. I mean, not that warm, but the humidity is up there. But again, if we go into the city, it's up in the 70s, and same thing for Jersey as well, up into the 70s. Much warmer there, and of course it's humid as well. So we look at the dew points, you'll see they're up there. Oh wow, dew points are up there. Mid 60s dew points for New Jersey. Long Island a little lower in the upper 50s. We'll look at this as well, showing you the difference again in temperatures and why you don't want to be in New Jersey unless you like it hot. So Long Island is in the mid 60s, and look at some of these readings around Toms River. Of course, we have some readings almost near 80 degrees over there in Toms River. No surprise that it's very hot there again. Go look at right at Toms River. Even wait for the whole thing to load, but yeah, even by the water, it's in the mid 70s. So very warm. Look at that. Yeah, a couple of 80-degree readings already over there in Toms River. Let's look at the Weather Service site. Show you some observations too as well. So in Farmingdale, so wait for it to load here. 63 degrees, dew point 57, and that represents the conditions across most of Long Island. We'll look at Central Park. 65, so it's up to 65. Look at the dew point, much more humid there, 64. But it gets worse than that, of course. We'll go to Toms River, of course, which is always the hot spot. It's amazing how hot it is there. And we're just waiting for it to load. Be nice if it would load. I don't know, the Weather Service site, have you noticed it's been a little slow lately? Or is it just my computer? I don't know. I'm 76 at Mount Holly, by the way. It's the reading for Mount Holly. So 76 at Mount Holly. You can see the satellite here in the lower right corner here. Plenty of clouds around. Here we go. 75 at Toms River. Dew point 65. So pretty warm and humid in Toms River. So let's take a look at the models and see what we're going to write to the NAM model actually. NAM 3 kilometer and show you. NAM's been pretty accurate so far. The timing might have been a little off on these showers that just moved through, so it might be a little behind. But this area here, this is the cold front that moves. So the warm front has moved through now. We're waiting for the cold front to come through, and right around, it looks like probably, like I said, sometime after 9 o'clock to around midnight, I would say, is when we could see these thunderstorms pop up. More likely over New Jersey, but when they hit the cooler marine air, they might fall apart over Long Island. It won't bring a lot of rain. And then tomorrow we are rain-free, but as we get into Sunday, here comes a lot of rain that comes fairly close to us. Looks like maybe the heaviest stuff stays over New Jersey, but it looks like a real soaker, perhaps for New Jersey on Sunday, according to the NAM. And then we have more rain on the way for Monday, right here. So but the NAM only goes this far out. I could actually go to the 12 kilometer. It does go a little further out. And you can see, yep, more rain. So we're stuck in a gloomy pattern pretty much for a while. So let me just see how much rain, total accumulated precip, the NAM is actually bringing to our area. So at least through Monday night, we're going to see another inch of rain on Long Island, and for New Jersey, it could be 2 inches of rain. Yep. All right, so that's one model. That's the NAM. And, of course, if we go back to the 3 kilometer NAM, we'll look at the sky cover, and you'll see it'll be overcast, too. You know, I mean, there's not going to be any clear sky, at least for the next. Well, it does have a little clear sky tomorrow. Again, the NAM seems to be saying that maybe there'll be some a break or some clear sky tomorrow. But the thing is, see, if you go over to the GFS does not have that. So we'll go to the GFS. GFS doesn't have it. GFS has it socked in. So the question is, which model is going to be right? That's the question. NAM was wrong the last time about that break, so it might be wrong this time as well. GFS does not have, it has it stuck in the clouds. So let's look at the temperatures. Alright, so temperatures, we know it's warm. We have that front coming through. Tomorrow it will cool off and be in the mid-60s, and it'll be drier. And then for Sunday, cool, much cooler Sunday. Monday, we're gonna have that backdoor front rain, so that'll keep temperatures down. Same thing for Tuesday. You can see the reflection of that storm right there. I can draw a low right there, and then that storm moves out. So we'll go and we'll go back to the sky cover and see. Well, let me look at the dew points. Look at that too, just to show you the cold front moving through. And then I'll go back to the sky cover. So dew points luckily remain low after tonight. So there's that humid air. That's out of here. All right. Clouds. Back to that. All right. So sky cover. You can see we're stuck in the clouds. Here's that low. Look at that thing. And yeah, we're stuck in the clouds. Maybe Wednesday we'll see some sun. Maybe before the next cloud area rolls in. It's like can't get clear sky. You just can't get clear sky around here. It's impossible. I'm going right through the rest of the month. It's such a cloudy pattern we're in. It's ridiculous. And like I said, it's not just us. Flagstaff also is having an unusual cloudy pattern. There's a lot of clouds across the whole country right now, which is part of what an El Nino pattern is you have a lot more cloudiness than normal across the country as a result of El Nino. All right, so you can see here is that system on Sunday. Similar, keeps the heaviest stuff to the south. And then on Monday, here comes the next system. There'll be rain in the picture for Monday. And then more rain overnight with that low. Could be steady and heavy. Tuesday, there's that low that really looks like it gets over that warmer water, gets energy, and picks up some strength there. And if we look at the total accumulation, look at that thing, just wrapped up. Let me look at the total accumulated precip on the GFS. Oh, look at that. So through next Wednesday, we could see another 2, maybe 3 inches of rain across our area. Unbelievable. This could be a very wet May. Maybe we'll break some records and have the wettest May on record. The rate things are going. Let me look at the ICON model while we can. A little different, the ICON. Maybe not quite as severe. But we'll move this back to the precipitation. And I'm just looking at the ICON to show you the precipitation chances. The ICON moves that rain in and has much more rain over us for Sunday. Sunday is going to be a soaker, especially over New Jersey. But like I said, the potential for it being a soaker for us is pretty good as well. Then another soaker for Monday night to Tuesday. So yeah, more rain on the way for us. What else is new here in this gloomy pattern that we're in here with the weather? So that is going to conclude this weather update. We're going to have to wait for spring. We're not having a spring. This isn't spring. We're probably going to just go right from this into the summer. Anyway, that's going to conclude this weather update. Take care and thank you for watching.